Three sentence talaga?
Oh, kaya or description. Ayun, naghihintay si mama.
Loving.
Okay lang.
Pwede mo ulit.
Okay lang.
Super.
And
And Carrie.
I love you,
Love you.
mama. Oh, si Jen naman, as a mother. Ayan, oh, si mama Jen, oh. Mami Jen. Oh, oh ayan, oh. Ayan, oh, you have three. Oh, and Alonso.
Pogi pose.
Pogi pose. Okay, so describe Mama Jen, Mami Jen.
Vloggerist yan.
Uh,
Hindi, caring rin.
Caring.
Thoughtful.
Thoughtful.
Saka unconditional.
Unconditional love. Yes, love you. Okay. Darling, describe mo si mama mo. 3 sentences lang.
Mama is very malinis. 3 words. Very matipid. 3 words. And mama is very caring.
Okay, I love you, mama.
I love you, mama.
Describe mama O.
The most
Caring.
lovable, and the best rapper in the house.
Best rapper. Oh, si Mami Ruby naman. Mami, oh, not.
Sweet mama and caring
Sweet.
mama din.
Saka,
Tsaka, mahabang pasensya.
habang pasensya. I love you, Mami.
Love you, mami.
3 sentences to describe mama.
Look at her. Look at her first. I can say is youthful. Yes.
Yeah.
Selfless. Yes. And supportive. Love you, ma.
Ano naman? What can you say to mama? Describe mama.
Mama is bouncy. Bouncy. Mama is loving. And mama is the light.
Love you, mama.
Love you, mama.
Hello, love. I love you. Happy Mother's Day. 3 description. Unconditional love. Second, very caring mother to her 5 beautiful and successful children. And very forgiving and pacific. I love
Ang dami
you
nun,
always, love.
Give her a wonderful kiss.
Okay.